na wo the comment e dia to ase se de be won so benya kwanya na wa participate e o show ne so na ma me fantom anim se uko Europa the top 5 major European leagues no se enchena ye de nyina e ba na wie na ye nim se uko France a Paris Saint-Germain team no already o magi French Ligue 1 e de si o mo na so eno achi de tie ne se wo ko oman a ye from say Germany a e ye Bayern Munich e na agi German Bundesliga afa de tie ne se wo ko oman a ye from say Spain a ye nim se Barca team no wo mo hia be se 2 wins na Barca agi La Liga e na afa e Italian Serie A no Inter Milan team no wo ma twum 10 points enti Inter e likely say omo so ene beji Scudetto e di esi omo na so nemom e England ye e Premier League no say a neck to neck between the Gunners Arsenal and after the Sky Blues of Man City. Eti ebe heard this ebe said ye and no ma ebe si akọ e England and na no pay ye wonsem e me tiefo ina e show no so na the test weekend way matches are eba so e the top 5 measure European leagues no wo call French Ligue 1 ma e match week 31 na the test and matches no e chance ye na 1:00 p.m. not e ofie woman Olympic Marseille enable and watch Paris Saint-Germain ebe tenafie e Parc des Princes woman ene Laurent enable e 3:00 p.m. Met e ofie woman bo AS Monaco e 5:00 p.m. na fe OGC Nice e Alliance Revela 7:05 p.m. woman Lens enable nyame adma ochina Sunday 1:00 p.m. Lee ebe tenafie omo ball have and watch 3:15 p.m. ochina Oze ene Angers enable na fe Paris FC abo Brest afe Strasbourg e Stade de la Manille woman bo Toulouse e 3:15 p.m. na Fatima je from say Olympique Lyon goma tenafie e Stade Olympique Lyonnais Stadium woman René enable e 6:45 p.m. Paris Saint-Germain ene dikan our French legal table so almost 69 points. After Lens toss me no almost 63. Your Olympic Lyon woman toss me and almost 57. And after Lee toss to 9 almost 57. Now the top scoring chart our French Ligue 1 no Esteban Lepo any kind or 18 goals. Joaquin Panichili 16. Mason Greenwood Asher 15. Your Essin Edward and Florent Balangu woman Asher 12 goals. After Pablo Solj 11 goals. Bradley Bakola, Wesley Said, Florent Tovan, and Usman Dembele. Women are 10 goals a piece. And I'm a payer on some. Emma Tiafoina El Shorno so. A Fayan Free France. Nayan Twasu El Spain. Now call a Liga Nima. Weekend when I match week 34. And I bas who El Spanish La Liga num. Now my man Phantom say Andra. Yenya Girona Timno. Woman Tenafie El Estadio Municipal. De Montelevi. Woman Su 1-0. Edma Mallorca. Now a Portugal on my brand Tiana. Jafan Samu Costa. And I said only go. Edma Mallorca away. Now and watch you know and Saturday about 12:00 p.m. Yabenya Villarreal on my Tenafie. El Estadio di Ceramica. Woman Levante enable. And watch Valencia El Mestalla. Wombo Atletico Madrid. 2:15 p.m. About 4:30 p.m. Deportivo Alaves. El Estadio Mendizorosa. Woman Atletico de Bilbao Ebebo. Nafi Osasuna. Atrafia El Pamplona. Woko Estadio El Sada. 7:00 p.m. Wombo FC Barcelona. Yamayadma Ochina Sunday. Lunchtime. 12:00 p.m. Celta de Vigo. El Abanca de Balados. Wombo Elche. And what Hetefi. Wombo Tenefi. El Estadio Coliseum Alfonso Perez 2:15 p.m. Wombo Rayo Vallecano after 4:30 p.m. Ochina Real Betis Elofie Woman Real Oviedo enable Nafi Espanyol Atrefie El RCDE Stadium Ochina 7:00 p.m. Woman Real Madrid enable Nyamiyadma Monday 7:00 p.m. Sevilla Ebetenefi Wombo Real Sociedad na Ayabansa Enedikan our Spanish La Liga table so na Barca after match with 33 womo 85 points Real Madrid etosumenu womo 74 Villarreal etosumiensa womo 65 and afi Atletico Madrid womo tosu enaya womo 60 points na Pichichi top scorer Spain okola Liga nima Real Madrid striker fan Kylian Mbappe enedikan was 24 goals afi Vedat Morogi Eboma Mallorca 21 goals Lamine Yamal and Ant Budime woman nyina ɛwɔ 16 goals afɛ Ferran Torres ɛna Mikel Oyarzabal woman nyina asɛ 14 goals afɛ Vinicius Junior ɛwɔ 13 Robert Lewandowski Alexander Sørloth ɛne Borja Iglesias woman nyina asɛ 12 goals ɛna no pɛyɛde update ɛmɛtiefo nya ɛwɔ show no so afɛ quickly yɛmfiri Spain na yɛntoa so ɛwɔ Italy na okɔ Ilia ma mɛfa ntoma nim sɛ weekend we matches ɛba so ɛwɔ Serie A num ɛyɛ match week 35 ɛhyɛ ase firi Andra Friday na Andra ɛwɔ Estadio Anconitani yɛnya Pisa ɛwɔ fie wɔn so 2-1 ɛna ma away side yɛ from Lecce na deɛ tɛ sɛ Andra Lecce wina ɔmunya yɛ no ɛkyerɛ sɛ Pisa ɛkɔ relegation na kyerɛ sɛ ɔma firi Serie A num wɔn ɛkɔ machi ɛyɛ asɛm yɛ pa ɛno yɛ Pisa team no na deɛ tɛ sɛ Andra ɛyɛ abrantia yɛ friend sɛ Mavic Banda go firi Zambia ɔno ɛna sɛ first go ɛma Lecce ɛma abrantia yɛ friend sɛ Pascal Mervis Laris wɔbɛte kan ɛma Pisa ansana Morocco wɔmabrante na fɛn Walid Chadri ɛbɛ restore lead no ɛde ma Lecce enti Andra Lecce away from home wɔn win 2-1 ɛde tia Pisa na ɛne Saturday 1:00 p.m. Udini ɛofie wɔn ne Torino ɛnɛbɔ ɛbɔ 4:00 p.m. ɛwɔ Estadio Giuseppe Sinigaglia yɛbɛnya Como ɛofie wɔn ɛne the Patanopis of Napoli ɛna ɛbɔ na fɛ Atalanta ɛwɔ Giuseppe Stadium ɛwɔ Bergamo 6:45 p.m. woman January ebebo nyame ya aduma ochina Sunday na ochina no pa early kickoff 10:30 a.m. Bologna el Estadio Renato da Ara woman Cagliari Calcio ebo eno chi Sassuolo el Estadio Mapi Città del Tricolori el Reggio nell'Emilia woman the Rossoneri of AC Milan ena ebo 1:00 p.m. na fe ebo 4:00 p.m. el Turina yebenya Juventus a omotena fie el Allianz Stadium woman bo Hellas Bologna afanyame ya aduma ochina numere 6:45 p.m. the Nerazzurri of Inter Milan el San Siro woman bo Parma nyame ya aduma Monday 2 games ebaso El Serie A na nyame aduma Monday 4:30 p.m. Cremonense ebo Lazio na 6:45 p.m. AS Roma atnafie el Estadio Olimpico el Rome woman Fiorentina enebo after match week 34 el Serie A na Inter enedikan woman 79 points Napoli etosumieno woman 69 AC Milan tosumiensa woman 67 Juventus tosunai woman 64 Como tosunum woman 61 and after AS Roma woman tosu insia woman so 61 points na Capo Cannonieri top scorer Ili uko Ili mama fantumo nim se Inter Milan woman striker na fene Lautaro Martinez enedikan watch 16 goals Marcus Thuram 12 Nico Pass and after Anastasios Dovikas woman na asha 12 goals apiece after Donald Malen 11 goals Giovanni Simeone Nikola Kristovic Kenan Yildiz and what Rasmus Højlund and Gianluca Scamacca woman na asha 10 goals apiece and on a player wonsem MT for na el show so afeyam ko Germany na German Bundesliga matches weekend we ever so match 32 na the tense and about 1:30 p.m. 5 games and about so German Bundesliga Bayern Munich Allianz Arena woman FC Heidenheim and Eintracht Frankfurt about Tnefi Danske Bank Park Wombo Hamburger SV after TSG Hoffenheim Prezero Arena Wombo Stuttgart Union Berlin Atem Foster Stadium woman FC Cologne enable after Oko Western Stadiona yebenya Werder Bremen elfie woman Augsburg enable na 4:30 p.m. Bay Arena Bayer 04 Leverkusen woman Tnefi woman RB Leipzig enable nyame aduma ochina Sunday 1:30 p.m. St. Pauli elfie woman Mainz 05 afe Oko Borussia Parker ochina 3:30 p.m. Borussia Mönchengladbach woman Tnefi woman Borussia Dortmund ena ebo na 5:30 p.m. Freiburg Europa Park Stadion woman Wolfsburg na Bayern enedikan German Bundesliga table so after match week 31 Bayern 82 points after Dortmund etosumieno womo 67 RB Leipzig tosumiensa womo 62 and after Stuttgart etosu eraya almost 57 points na top scoring chart German Bundesliga no Hurricane enedikan wacha 33 goals after Dennis Undaf 18 Luis Diaz and after Seru Goralsi womo na 15 goals your Michael Olise and Patrick Schick Woma se 13 goals. Christopher Bongatna, Jan Diomonde, NFA, Andre Kramaric, Womina as 12 goals apiece, and an payade on them, Emma Tilfon El Shona, so a Fayemi matches in El England, now over Premier League Nima, March week 35, weekend with Ebaso, now a Sansefri under Friday, Emma Leeds United, under Amatrafi or Elan Road, Woma Shamiansa, Emma Bentley, Womate a Canimbako, now a Germany, Woma Brantin, Anton Starch, and the first goal, Emma Leeds United, Noah Okafor, and the second goal ever saw so, Emma Dominic Calvert-Lewin, about third goal, Ansana, Luam Chwana, Ebenya consolation goal, and Emma Bentley, and the unreleased, a movie game, no, 3-1 at the Tia Bentley. Now, the Tense and next Saturday, 2:00 p.m., 3 games, and Abaso, our Premier League, Brentford, our Gentle Community Stadium, Women West Ham United, and Ebo, Newcastle United, our St. James's Park, Womba Brighton and Hove Albion, Wolverhampton Wanderers, our Molineux, Women Sunderland, and Ebo, now for 4:30 p.m., our Emirates, Yabenya Arsenal, Woman Treffy, Woman Fulham, and Ebo, Mikel Arteta, one and manager, and my team, je from say Arsenal, now you say Arsenal, Timono, Yamia Dona say Arsenal, and no more 1 match 6 points, now and Sakran on Monday, Man City. And Everton game abaso na Mikel Arteta and the boys no waka chom say I was say womunya hanga e kom ediomo say on pese omoje Premier League no yenti Arsenal one manager Mikel Arteta
and hunger to play, hunger to compete, hunger to win, hunger to be closer to achieve our dream. But I think we have enough fuel in the tank. I mean, we're playing to win the Premier League. It's exactly what we want it to be. 4 games to go. It's game 2 and ready to go. We certainly have that, and we need to face any context, any situation to achieve our goal. And what happened the other night was extremely disappointed, and we need to make it at home now. Hunger, and to achieve the goal that we set at the start of the season.
Okay, we are Mikel Arteta, the Ghana's Arsenal, one manager and our tenant cano. Na Nyame Aduma Ochina aye Sunday, your matches are Ebasu El Premier League. Na 1:00 p.m. Bournemouth, El Vitality Stadium, Woman Crystal Palace and Elbow, Man United, El Old Trafford, Wombo Liverpool, a big game, 2:30 p.m. Ochina, and a sad game Ebasu, Michael Carrick, one and a manager, and my team from Man United. Na another manager no, ne match press conference about no wakasa yente United one boss Mikel Arteta and I say Michael Carrick rather.
Yeah, I just think this probably shows the improvements of the group really and getting stronger and then to be coming into this game in such a good position, you know, on the back of good results and trying to achieve and moving forward. So fully aware of the situation in the league and how close it is between us, but that's not something really we've focused on going into this game. I think it's a one-off game. I think they've got some terrific players. They're a good team. They won the league last year and obviously we respect everything that goes into the game.
Okay, the Red Devils of Manchester United, my manager, fence Michael Carrick, and our tenant can Carrick say, young fan to be an himself points, you know, about Bosso and United. I was on bomb more than Serbia, women team a secure Champions League sport, our Premier League, none opposite number, a Liverpool, one manager, fence Anslot, Ebo United, or team in Abaso, Yentil Liverpool, one manager.
No, I think last season when we played them and they were not in the same league position as they are now. I also said that their players are much better than the league position showed. And in terms of looking at the league table, we always knew that they were really good, but now they are also showing it in the league table. It might be a bit of an advantage that they only play once a week. Before we played them in the lead up to the game, analyzing them, how good they are, and every time we play.
Okay, Anslot, Liverpool manager, and our tenant can Anslot is last season on United able Old Trafford. Nemo game last season about no now United and modern born anti say my United no improve pa and watch one place no so I improve and no Anslot in some kakra what the tuja na the tell say Aston Villa nyame aduma china 6:00 p.m. woman at Tottenham Hotspur and able nyame aduma Monday 2:00 p.m. Chelsea El Stamford Bridge woman at North Nottingham Forest ebebo na fe Everton 7 o'clock p.m. Won etna fe omni Man City na ebo na after match week 34 Premier League Arsenal edi kan won 73 points Man City etosumienu won 70 Man United etosumiensa won 61 and for Liverpool won tosu enaya won so 59 and 58 points na Chelsea at the 8th position Premier League table na so won 48 points na top scoring chart Premier League no Ellen Haaland edi kan was 24 goals afa Igor Thiago eboma Brentford 21 Antoine Semenyo 15 goals yo Joao Pedro was 14 afa Danny Welbeck and Morgan Gibbs White women na 13 goals ubenya Dominic Calvert-Lewin and Victor Gyökeres women na 12 goals afa Hugo Ekitike Oli Watkins Junior Krupi women na 11 goals apisa and ano payere wonsem emetifo na show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na make a Premier League no mame Premier League for nay esanse anra and a Premier League omode woman nominee for the player of the month of April and a manager of the month of April anybody na uko player of the month of April nominee na woman for players makumako and watch 8 players in a Premier League for no woman de omudi ebaye woman for Gerard Bowen wabo edema West Ham United Rancheki esina kan edema Man City one for Morgan Gibbs White wabo edema Nottingham Forest afe Pascal Groves esina kan edema team aye from say Brighton and Hove Albion afe Konstantinos Mavropanos ebo edema West Ham Noah Okafor esina kan edema Leeds one for Nico O'Reilly wabo edema Man City and afe Alex Scott esina kan edema Bournemouth eti we 8 players are Premier League for no woman nominate for the player of the month of April and watch manager of the month of April aba na 7 managers Nuno Espirito Santo manager edema West Ham United one for Daniel Farke where manager Edma Leeds one for Man City manager your first Pep Guardiola afe Fabian Hosler manager Edma Brighton one for Andoni Areola where manager Edma Bournemouth afe Victor Pereira manager Edma Nottingham Forest and afe Liverpool one manager first Ancelot one also nominatino into way nomination amba for the manager of the month of April Premier League and anano pay no yere won some MTF for ina show no so na Real Madrid dia se bibiansia mandefon dia Avalo Ambelua wombe jane kwan se jebo season ewia na Madrid manager once managers na Madrid no ebi mu ebekọ World Cup na enano pay okọ Madrid report amemen seka and say mandefon gidie pan say managers na omopoma womade omo national team ebekọ World Cup no abaye problem edema Manchester and say Real Madrid rather essence Didier Deschamps Linus Scaloni and Mauricio Pochettino woman nyina ebekọ World Cup na mandefo no agidie pass managers we no say omodi adwuma no emoma ebe delay Madrid almost squad decision say player we no person moto a agi say omotwen ema manager no wokọ World Cup eba hard ni ye panti mandefo no agidie pass aye problem e de momo eno aye update the free Real Madrid amaso eba na meka Real Madrid wonsam no player of the month of April amba Real Madrid woman ma Turkey woman brand Tinefan Ada Gule woman say the month of April boy no ne money bo asani pa na so far season we mo who players are amaje player of the month Madrid August Eko Edema Kylian Mbappe September Kylian Mbappe October Ada Gule and watch November Kylian Mbappe December Thibaut Courtois one energy January Eko Edema Kylian Mbappe February Freddy Valverde March Vinicius Junior and April Eko Edema Ada Gule and I am Sam Kakra free Real Madrid woman say eba na make a player of the month no woko Manchester United woman so player of the month of April Ako Edema Carlos Henrique Casemiro one and the player of the month of April Edi Amano enti Casemiro Manchester United the month of April ne money ba masani ye pa na aye Chelsea and they world champions and there no doubt about that e wo msi asande ne mo badge no e da so e boy atale pampe na on say FIFA e badge no e boy atale ni musa eya nanka on say FIFA Club World Cup no initially na ye born 1 year na the following year yasa abo FIFA World Cup and as a FIFA Club World Cup na sese FIFA for no woman de ensakra aba ayen 4 years eno ene na no pay se Chelsea for no woman tre letter e da come Premier League for no say 4 years ena FIFA for ayen dia ene e badge na ebo matali no FA for no 4 years and for my Chelsea enti no aya krata is Chelsea for no woman tre e dia come FA for no na no pay yere won sam emetie for nyina e show no so na Tottenham Hotspurs woman share ometima relegation amana ye essence andra Leeds for no dia omo share no woman call unim say the last 6 games at Leeds United woman born omo ye undefeated woman unbeaten na Chelsea Daniel Farke woya djuma pa mame Roberto De Zerbi one na manager and my Tottenham Hotspurs andra manager no pre-match press conference about no was say e was Spurs one match we na se results no anko kama ayana players no womo anim momo na players ni bi kura ayana womo esu do betima ka and it's still Spurs womo relegation and it's ubesu a e dey fini nche ko what timi no nya adwuma we Roberto De Zerbi Tottenham Hotspurs one manager.
But I heard, no, it's impossible. We are crying. Everyone is crying. We relegate. No, not yet. Yeah. And we have to die on the pitch. And to die on the pitch, we have to lose the game. And before losing the game, we have to play. We have to fight. We have 2 points less than West Ham. And West Ham have to play a difficult game as well, like us. And for that, okay, it's not the best moment for us. It's a tough moment. It's a difficult moment. But the losers cry. The losers think negative, and I don't want people close to me crying or to think in different way than me.
Okay, we Roberto De Zerbi Tottenham Hotspurs one manager and our tenant kase Casano na away from Spurs yanko by Munchine andra e was Sabana Stranza buying omu 20 grounds womunya hoho na Agent Robin obi adu say I Robin a legend and my Bayern Munchen 2013 time a Bayern AJ woman Champions League against Dortmund Wembley I Robin one and a match winning goal and my Bayern omode J UEFA Champions League now see omona so na I am Robin eba Sabana Stranza no one boys no ebe siesia we one manono ya nie wo se one Hurricane egina o one Joshua Kimmich afi manager Fencer Vincent Company one Jama Musiala and afi Leon Goretzka na on say I am Robin about 309 matches at my team you from Bayern 144 goals no share waji 8 Bundesliga title FD and I said dear be poker waje 5 and a Champions League waje bakunti or a legend and my team from Bayern Andra wakosra Bayern players nyame aduma Wednesday woman team from Paris Saint-Germain and a elbow return fixture UEFA Champions League semi-finals in him et way I am Robin Andra Sabana Straza and they want some Emma Tiafonia show so I Malek Laporte player and my Anna say was ya kankakra and my Man City na I Malek Laporte say wano ne ho pa say ofri Man City na de obetima kan and it's a City the best club we say na say ofri City na bonza ampa say wonu ho na treatment woman ma players in City no different from clubs be we say and I Malek Laporte and the Sanson Atuja Mauricio Pochettino one na manager at my US woman national team no na obakana or teama je from Paris Saint-Germain on a time and wonya Messi Kylian Mbappe and a player fan say Neymar na omo kobusan say Neymar say eno City and a Mauricio Pochettino say about talent Neymar any different and I say or the same level with Messi Kylian Mbappe, Diego Armando Maradona, and Ronaldinho, Nemam de Betimaka, and it's a talent, and Yanon Kwa and Yadibobo, and Unti and Abia, Ebesine, Abrantia Fence Nema, one Entimenia Ballon d'Or, and no, Mauricio Pochettino, Man Mikel Arteta, one of their manager, Anima Arsenal, na Yanim said Nano Tuesday, UEFA Champions League match, a bus who out Park the Princeno, Yabenya Paris Saint Germain team, woman share 5, Emma Borussia Dortmund, and as a team from Bayern rather. Womoti akanum enai na game say we see obi akan wasam say boy ya sha pa sambo ne sanse wo bia ebiem wo mu ko visa Mikel Arteta sa chawan game no hwe bia Mikel Arteta se ai game o hwe bi pa na ono manager enema Arsenal no game wa hwa na en fe pa Paris Saint-Germain wo me ne eba mu chin game no na de obetima kam ene se o hwe ne sa na wo de batoto Arsenal match one why a big mistake de obetima kan ene se o hwe quality Tima from Sabayan Ekuta, Paris Saint-Germain Ekuta, quality players Amukuta, a freedom, and a Fejia, 2 teams in Omajo Mahome, and Omu League na Emu Merano, and Unti, and Umutimbos are quality football. Manager, I have first Mikel Arteta.
Bayern PSG is probably the best game I have ever witnessed on the quality of two teams and especially the individual quality that the players deliver. Never seen something like this. But when I look at the amount of minutes and the freshness of those players, then I'm not surprised. To deliver those moments of quality, you have to be very fresh. And the difference in the leagues and the way they compete in is night and day, and you just have to see a lot of stats that they've been recently around it. So we are comparing two different worlds, so you cannot compare one part of that without giving any context to that. I don't think it's fair.
Okay, where I Arsenal manager fence Mikel Arteta and our tenant can Arteta say Bayern and a Paris Saint-Germain or more different word and a Premier League for no woman so a different word and no a manager fence Mikel Arteta now make Arsenal one seminal who Arsenal this season one place in a proper and not a pair report on second and they say Arsenal I for new physiotherapist Ediaba now Arsenal physio a penny friend say Simon Murphy why are you since 2021 nemam Arsenal for no ejidie pass on players no wo mu play too much na o say Joaquin Acedo where Mikel Arteta na damfo wo mu de naba na o say wo me hwe die ntia Arsenal players no wo press na obekari anase obe review Mantia edi animu wo say ever since Mikel Arteta buy no every month bia no Arsenal phone a review e department bia e Arsenal enti o de Joaquin Acedo aba say Arsenal o medical team no wo mla na o review said e be ya Arsenal players no wo mo ho be di na bibia kama e di amomo na ye ko FIFA na no Thursday and a FIFA wo mo 75th FIFA Congress e ba so Vancouver e Canada na akofa nsembebere ediaba mame president edima FIFA opani afansa Gianni Infantino wonim say e was stage no so eduru baby Gianni Infantino say one of FIFA no wadi unite eno ma keka enkofo bom enti Palestine wo FA president Jibril Rajub and a vice president edima Israel wo football federation Basim Sheikh Suleiman wo mrano machia na FA president edima Palestine say hey na wo de wonim go entoko si Palestinians do antema na masa ye nya sa de no o mse football and ye body na mo ko ekroma ntoko no ano edin eti o chene nye enti FA president edema Palestine opani afan say Jibril Rajub Osnobe president edema FIFA Gianni Infantino and ensem kakra and anase nano Thursday e course to Vancouver na Gianni Infantino at a confirmation at the was say Infantino be anim say Iran and Comodia woman Omadino a chess Iran Yamia Duma 2026 FIFA World Cup one bebo Yentia FIFA president Gianni Infantino.
And let me start by the outset, or at the outset, I should say, confirming straight away for those who maybe want to say something else or want to write something else, that, of course, Iran will be participating at the FIFA World Cup 2026. And, of course, Iran will play in the United States of America. And the reason for that is very simple, dear friends, is because we have to unite. We have to bring people together. It is my responsibility, it is our responsibility. Football unites the world, FIFA unites the world.
Okay, way a FIFA president Stefani Gianni Infantino and our tenant can I wake up with the Mzenga. It was Israel for the Babylon Kevin Group A, Israel, Iran, Pa, Area Kete, it will be a Minnesota, not give me only 10 times Maza, and you got record best 7 MP given him. And yes, you cry, I know a FIFA president Gianni Infantino and all this handsome Natuja. Now Infantino at was there and who be plenty. Now, I'm saying you take a decision. Now, the enoma esi afcon yebo Morocco no FIFA fon adisuade pa wose World Cup ya yekoi wunim na country referee ebeji decision na we see decision won tiase eti wo free park na so akwa dressing room no player bia be free park na so bia no wo je red card and wachi wo magi 3 goals 3 points e dey ma wo opponent no we FIFA president Gianni Infantino.
The FIFA Council today decided very, very clearly and unanimously that in the FIFA World Cup, or starting with the FIFA World Cup, in all FIFA competitions from now on, if a team or some players of a team or some officials of the team leave the field of play or instigate that the team leaves from the field of play, well, in this case, the referee will show them simply a red card and the match will be abandoned and forfeited, of course, against that team that has left the field of play in protest for a decision of the referee.
Okay, nti eno ay update every FIFA almost 76 Congress Canada by nano pay de wonsem tiefo nya show no so ye free FIFA na yanko bansa na yenim se bansa team no Pamplona womne Osasuna Stadio El Sanda na game eba so se bansa wia nyame aduma next week bansa ene Real Madrid Spotify company na de me se kan se bansa ye was senior players ni bia wo mu nyina ene se omudi card editia Osasuna game amobo editia Real Madrid wo mu nyina entimi mobi bako Hafia afi Frankie Dion and afi Mark Bena wo mu nyina one yellow card se omudia na chese next game wo mbebo editia Real Madrid no wo mu nyina entimi mobi wo ko Chelsea wo mu interim manager Callum McFarlane and manager na press conference eba so na what the confirmation eba se Rhys James and Levi Cowell wo start full training session Cobham 82 boys no women nyina available nyame aduma Monday Chelsea fie women Nottingham Forest enable na Thibaut Courtois Real Madrid dem me say kan say boy no wa chance training na pitch na so na Thibaut Courtois asase training mom Monday for say take zero risk na chese Thibaut Courtois wonya fully recovered enya de obetima da pom e de matima de from Real Madrid na de tense Gabi ye konemom okay Gulemo Ochoa senior ma ye say unhu ne da ye ba ko ka bia so available
ada wa san ba biem
say okọ Mexico omo first choice goalkeeper no akopra
cha
oh ne de sa story de be 3 months ago kra
okonya
esi
chairman asan aba
obe asaba nemom ose ye bo World Cup no we retire
Zad obenya retire
on never pon Ediama Mexico.
But this after World Cup.
You World Cup New York so retired.
Yeah.
Okoni 6 World Cup. 2006 e was Germany.
I don't say. And that is on the Ghana nyina yepe. The first World Cup or kwa na Ghana second first World Cup.
No second choice goalkeeper.
But once when you akwa the first
2010 so sa. Name time was say dey go post Edema Mexico. 2014 Brazil.
You Brazil no.
2018 or Russia. 2022 or Qatar.
Okay.
Ni na no first choice goalkeeper. 2026 or Canada, United States of America ni Mexico. Gulemo Ochoa.
Okay, ya na se wa kom ye we dey akonkrofo ama so yenya details na so ya ba be di hu nkomo ewo fidie mu anti afi no adwane ya ha Nhyira ya no ma wana kan radio station di Asanteman agi atumni